Recurring tickets, unmanaged devices, unclear approvals, and scattered audit evidence do more than frustrate IT teams. They slow billing, dispatch, records, production, and customer service. For Cleveland businesses facing growing compliance demands, cybersecurity has become a business priority. As Rodney Hall, President and COO at Securafy, says, "Prevention-first cybersecurity works when it protects daily operations, assigns clear ownership, and proves results with response times, device coverage, and audit-ready evidence." The best Cleveland tech companies treat security as an ongoing operating discipline. They use 24/7 monitoring, strengthen endpoint protection, keep compliance evidence organized, define clear escalation paths, and provide executives with simple reporting on risks, response times, and audit readiness. If recurring tickets, unmanaged devices, or response gaps are slowing your business, read the full article to learn how Cleveland technology companies are building security that keeps work moving. Save this episode to your Spotify playlist so you can revisit these strategies when reviewing your own security priorities.